We've just acquired this Ford Mondeo Titanium X Sport. It's the rare sport model with the upgraded alloy wheels, so in absolutely superb condition. It's got the Sport X body styling kit throughout. The lower skirt there, lower lip spoiler, higher level spoiler. It's got the parking sensors. Nice large boot, mats, tannoy cover. It looks and drives superb. Doesn't look anything like the mileage. You've got the half leather Alcantara trim, satellite navigation upgrade, heated seats. Really nice car. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.